Hi there and welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different old fashions using Amoretti extracts and also Amoretti liqueur concentrates. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so our first step is going to be adding in our sugar cubes. Next we'll be doing the bitters and then a 1/4 ounce of each of the extracts and liqueur concentrates we have here. So we'll throw in our sugar cubes. I'm gonna do about 2 to 3 dashes of bitters per cup. And do it right on top of your sugar cube. First here we have our natural hickory barbecue. It's gonna make a nice smoky, flavored old fashioned. Take that, do my best to pour it right on top of the sugar cube as well. Next we're gonna do a vanilla butter. This is like a nice warm flavor. Good to kind of like sit by the fireplace and drink this, read a good book. And lastly, it is our apple pie with crust. This seriously, this is one for like Thanksgiving or the holidays. People will think you are a mad genius if you make this drink for them. This is like bartender status, it's so good. All right, now we're just gonna muddle everything. So first I'll muddle the hickory barbecue in really well with the sugar. Rinse off my muddler. Next is the vanilla butter and the apple pie. And the best part, we are using some bourbon whiskey here. Let's add this into all of our old fashions. This is about 1.5 ounces of whiskey. You can use more if you'd like. Do a slight little mix. I really enjoy using ice balls for these. They seem to melt a little bit slower so you really get the full flavor of your whiskey, the bitters, the extract. Unfortunately, we only had 2 ice balls, so one of these drinks is only gonna get regular ice, but that's okay. I'm just gonna mix these one more time. All right, and then to add in your garnishes. So for our vanilla butter, we have a nice orange here with a little vanilla bean in it. I'm also gonna zest a little orange in there as well. There you have it. That is our vanilla butter old fashioned. Next here for our apple pie, we're just gonna throw in a nice stick of cinnamon and some fresh cut apples. And there is your apple pie old fashioned. And my personal favorite, the hickory barbecue here. I'm gonna put in a couple pieces of bacon. This one is some bacon wrapped in orange peel. It's nice, you get a little snack with your old fashioned, who doesn't like that? And then again, zest this one with a little bit of orange. And there you go, hickory barbecue old fashioned. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you do make any of these old fashions at home, make sure to share them with us on social media. You can find us at Amoretti on all of our social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll see you next time. Bye.
I bet that's really flammable, huh?
Yeah, super flammable. Woo! Oh yeah.